Alright, so this is my assignment, and this is my name and my assignment name. Starting with the emulator, I will click, or I will choose XML and click submit. It will say correct, the feedback will say correct, and the score will be 1-1. Now I will try the wrong answer and click submit. The score will be 1-2, and it will say incorrect. And now I will go to the next question and choose onCrete, submit, and it's the correct answer, and the score updated to 2-3. Now I click on the reset. Once I click on reset, everything is reset. Score is go back to 0-0. The question goes back to the first question, and the feedback also reset to the original feedback. All right, so here's my code. To do one is right here. So to do one is basically allows the screen to ask the manager for the current question and the score. Going to do third or to do two. So to do two is basically comparing the answer choice from the user with the programmed answer choice. So like the correct answer choice and user's answer choice. If they're equal, or if they are same, then score will increase and it will return true. If not, it will return false. Going to 2-3. So 2-3 is basically find the button on the layout. Like in this case, it's a reset button, and 2-3 is like looking for that button basically. So here's the reset button on the emulator. Going down to 2-4. So 2-4 is basically telling what will happen when the reset button is clicked, right? So for example, if I try this on the emulator, submit 1-1, correct, and I click reset. So what will happen is the feedback will be clear. It will go back to the original question, will be go back to the first question. The score will update to 0-0. So that's 2-4. Going to 2-5. So 2-5 is, so this is my code, is ensuring that the index is not out of bound when it's looking for, when it's checking for the answer on when it's going through the answer choice, like the answer array, and it's ensuring that the code is not out of bound, and also the app doesn't crash when that happened, right? Go to, let me see how long I have. Okay. 2-6. So 2-6 is basically, it will control the feedback. When the answer is correct, it will set correct, and it will show on the feedback session right here, and it will be incorrect if the answer is wrong. Moving to 2-7. So 2-7 is basically making a new button, and in this case it's a reset button right here, and the ID is BNT reset. The name or the text display on the button is reset, is on the bottom of the next button, the button next, and the alignment and everything is to the start and to the end apparent. Coming to 2-8. So even though we can test and do everything on the emulator perfectly, 2-8 is over here to prove that the logic and our code is handling the data correctly. So that's 2-8. Yep, so this is my assignment right here. Activity quiz, some unit, and all these files are here. Thank you.